Hi, welcome back. Today it's time for my number 6 index card, and I played on the same background as I did the card before. I have already added some white gesso to the left and to the right side of the card. And now I go on top with acrylic paints. I add some stamping with stamps from Rubber Dance and Viva Las Vegas stamps. I use acrylic ink to add some white splatters. My main image are these little birdies. It's a die cut from Stamplerations, and you will find a 20% off code for the Stamplerations online store in the description box. The birdies are colored with any kind of watercolor. I can't remember which one it was. I'm stamping my sentiment on a piece of Brushos colored paper, cut it out and glue it to the card. This was a really quick and easy index card. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!